Hi guys, welcome to my channel Gym Kitchen Connect. So today we are going to create ragi puri and roti without using any food plastics or without using any boiled potatoes. We are going to do this very easily. The rotis will not break and I assure you of that. Let's get started. So for ragi puri or roti, you must take 1 cup of water for 1.5 cup of ragi flour. So you have to first boil the water. It should be steamingly hot. It should be boiling water. So let's put the water in a pan, and once it is boiled, steaming hot, we'll put the flour. So now you can see that it is boiling. It is steaming hot. We'll first switch off the flame and then put the ragi flour in it. We'll mix the flour really well. This will be a bit difficult to mix. Remember, you have to take 1 cup of water and 1.5 cup of ragi flour to perfectly mix it. Now put everything in a big plate or a mixing plate, and don't let the flour get cooled. It should be a bit hot when you are trying to mix. You will feel a little a burning sensation while you are kneading it, but that's the essence of kneading it. So you can wear gloves or something. So see, the dough is ready. We'll make the rotis. We'll take a pan. Take as much as the dough you want for the rotis. I've taken ragi flour for dusting. We'll switch on the flame. Now we'll start making the rotis, and you will see that it is not going to break at all. You can do this very easily. So we'll start making it. You can see it's looking like a normal roti now. Dust it all over and start rolling it. Put it on the pan and cook it very nicely. You can make chapatis or you can do rotis, whatever you like, whatever you want to eat. So I'll be doing here rotis, which is also called fulka, which will be it will be done on the flame, directly on the flame. So once the roti is cooked, I recommend that you put some ghee or butter so that the rotis are softer for a longer period of time. And because this is not wheat or this does not have gluten, you should always put something like butter or ghee after doing the roti. So this is ready. Let's prepare for the puris. So we'll give the oil for the puri in a pan. Then we'll take the dough as much required. We'll take some oil for puri. We won't dust it, but we'll have to kind of knead it with some oil before rolling it over. You'll see this will also not break. This will be done very easily. So I've given a shape of the puri and see, no breaks at all. The oil looks hot. Let's put the puri and cook it nicely. You'll see you have round fluffy puris ready. So that's your puri done. So your ragi roti and your puri is done. I hope you liked the video. If you did like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.